a round of applause. How is everyone's morning going so far? Great, great. Well, listen, I came in from New York last night, and I have had the pleasure of speaking with many audiences within this Leading with Distinction cohort, and I tell you, each one is better than the next. So I am excited to be with you all today to talk about a topic that is near and dear to my heart, and I'll tell you about that more in a minute. First, some housekeeping things. I want to give a big shout out not just to everybody here in the room, but obviously we have a virtual audience. Hello to everyone virtually, as well as our theater audiences. I promise to make this an inspiring hour and an interactive hour for all of you, so you're not just sitting back and missing out on things happening here. You too are going to interact with this topic quite in depth. And to do that, the next thing I want to tell you is that we are going to do a couple polling options. Not until closer to the end of my speech, but I'll tell you when to go to your app and access those polls so we can see some interesting thoughts on what you think about simplicity. And then finally at the end, I am going to leave some time for Q&A, and I'm told that the folks in our Chicago theater are going to be kicking off that Q&A, which is my hometown, so I'm expecting great things and some really fun questions from you all. So let's dive in. Let's start talking about this topic that I love, which is eliminating complexity so you can unleash innovation. And to do that, I have brought with me today what I consider to be my best 900 PowerPoint slides. Does that work for everybody today? We laugh because that's so true. I'm not going to give you 900 PowerPoint slides. What I am going to give you is some stories and examples around how you can make simplicity your #1 key to success in the future. And to do that, I want to start with a story about a company that is quite complex, like yours. It's dispersed globally. It has lots of employees. It has regulations. But they have embraced some very simple principles to create success for them in the long run. How many people here within the last 6 months have dealt with UPS? The majority of everyone here deals with UPS on a daily, if not monthly basis. UPS is a complex organization. They have 96,000 trucks on the road, hundreds of airplanes, tens of thousands of employees, and their business lives or dies based on speed. So the people that actually run logistics and algorithms for the company, those are the people that make things hum. And they have to find seconds upon seconds of time that they can save so they can get customers their packages faster. That's their success, happy customers that get their packages faster. And they started looking at their business less than a decade ago, and they realized that they could make one simple change to how they operate, and it would dramatically increase customer satisfaction and business success. Do you know what that change was? That simple change? No more short shorts on their drivers. I'm kidding, that was not it, but I really do like this picture. When you Google short shorts, that's what comes up, just so you know. That's the first picture. No, the answer to that was no more left turns. No more left turns. Left turns, when you drive, are a major cause of accidents. You're sitting idle in traffic for minutes. In fact, it adds about 30 to 45 seconds to every stop on a driver's route. And obviously, we burn more petrol by doing that. So by making things a series of right-handed loops for every driver, what was the result? They shaved 6 to 8 miles off of every driver's route. Customer satisfaction increased by more than 30%. They saved more than 10 million gallons of gas a year. And they took out over 100,000 metric tons of CO2 out of the atmosphere, which is the same thing as taking 21,000 trucks off of the road. Wow. One simple change, a big impact for success. What's your UPS no left turn equivalent? What simple thing could you do to make your business a success?